Working with geographic data and received a VCT file from IDRISI GIS software. These contain vector geographic information for mapping and analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, analyze, and convert these IDRISI vector image files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful VCT file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. VCT files are vector image files used by IDRISI, a geographic information system developed by Clark Labs at Clark University, now branded as TerrSet. They store vector geographic data, including points, lines, and polygons representing real-world features with associated attribute data for spatial analysis, mapping, and environmental modeling applications. IDRISI VCT vector files use a structured binary format, storing geographic feature geometries with coordinates in the project's defined coordinate reference system. The format includes feature topology, attribute references, projection metadata, and accompanying VDC documentation files describing the data schema, feature counts, and spatial extent boundaries. The proprietary opener for the VCT file structure is typically ESRI ArcGIS for desktop by ESRI, Environmental Systems Research Institute. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows cannot preview most GIS structures, so specialized GIS software is required to view them. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your VCT file and choose Open With. Test with ESRI ArcGIS for desktop first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the VCT file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in TerrSet. Launch. TerrSet. The current version of IDRISI software, and use File then Open or display the VCT file directly through the display launcher. TerrSet renders the vector features with default symbology in the map composer. Customize the display by adjusting line colors, fill patterns, and labels through the composer's symbology controls. Next, converting to Shapefile. Use TerrSet's IDRISI to ESRI conversion module to convert VCT files to SRE Shapefile format, which is universally supported by GIS software. Access the conversion tool through the File menu, Import, Export, or Database Workshop. The resulting SHP files work with QGIS, ArcGIS, and any other GIS application supporting industry-standard formats. Finally, importing into QGIS, install the IDRISI plugin for QGIS or use GL-OGR command line tools to read VCT files directly. Run OGR2OGR f shapefile output shp input.vct to convert the data. Once in shapefile format, add the data to QGIS through the Add Vector Layer dialog for analysis, cartography, and integration with other geographic datasets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.